Press Save Image As. Save the file in whichever name you want it to. And it's downloaded, and now you can post this on YouTube as your new logo. Hi guys, Avocado Man, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a quality and good looking logo. Let's start. First, you want to go to Placeit.net. I use Placeit to create my logos and channel arts and intros. It's a really good website. And once you get there, you want to toggle above it, and then you want to press YouTubers. And then just wait for it to load. And then once it has loaded, you want to type up here, like right here, your channel name. And then press apply. And then wait for it to load again. Then once it has loaded, you want to find a logo, something that looks like pretty good. Like, for example, this one. I'm going to press on this one, and then you just wait for it to load again. Right here, you want to put your name, your channel name, and then here, you want to put a slogan or like what you do. And then you want to come here. If you're a gamer, then you just want to type in gamer and press one that you like. Or you can upload an image, whatever you like. But since I'm Avocado Man, I'm going to search up avocado. And as you can see, there are 3 avocado pictures there. So I'm going to pick this one. Then you can just play around with the colors and everything. Find a logo that you like. And then once you feel like you finished, then you press Save Draft. And then you go down, right click on the image, press Save Image As. Save the file in whichever name you want it to. And it's downloaded, and now you can post this on YouTube as your new logo. Hooray! You just made a quality and good looking logo. That was easy, wasn't it? Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video, and please be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!